Hello friends, ngiphethe iBhayibheli lana. Yebo le ncwadi lana ngiyayithanda, angifuni uqamanga. I love this book. You know, manje ngivele ngiphatheke kabi uma ngibona umuntu mhlambe efunda maybe just one verse before alale, just so that ethandaze. Or when someone just reads this book, maybe in church only, and then after that sitshingiwe sibekiwe. Yazi ukuthi if we read this book, inkinga esiningi, like inkinga eziningi esinazo ngaba sinazo, but people actually would rather go to ama churches and seek for miracles first instead of seeking for iqiniso likaNkulunkulu, kanti everything like is here. Yazi uJesu even esemhlabeni naye wenza isibonelo esihle. uJesu wathi uSathane memlinga akazange naye ezama ukuveza imangaliso ukuze akhombise amandla akhe, but kodwa wasebenzisa izwi lakhe. Uma uthola isikhathi ufunde Matthew 4 verse 1 to verse 11, and also Luke 4 also verse 1 to verse 13. uSathane wathi 3 times when he was trying to tempt Jesus did not show any kind of powers, but he just said, "Get thee behind me, Satan." If you read Luke 4 verse 8, amanye ama versions athi, "Away from me, Satan." Mesethini, for it is written, kathathu 3 times ethi it is written, ekhomba okusembhalweni. So why uSathane methi yamtempta this and that and that, evele yena emtshele ngombhalo. So ilapho isecret bazalwane ukuthi to have victory over everything evela kuSathane, ukuze simnqobe kula embhalweni. Lokuzana uJesu umethandaza ku John 17 verse 17 uthi, "Sanctify them by your truth, your word is truth." Sanctify them, igama lithi sanctify lithi to set apart for holy use, set apart. So into iyathathwa ibe uceleni ukuthi le isizowenza umsebenzi ongcwele kuphela. So that is how we are made holy, through the word of God. Mufunda Psalms 119 verse 11 uthi, "Your word have I hid in my heart, that I may not sin against you." So bazalwane, yonke into ila, wonke amandla kaNkulunkulu are in the written word of God. So thina we may pray to God, but one of the ways that uNkulunkulu asiphendula ngayo imkhuleko yethu kukhona khona lana. There are promises here for everything, whether you are depressed, you are happy, whatsoever you might be facing, like everything is here. So let us read this book. Asilifundeni iBhayibheli, friends. Thank you.